In a snow-laden Highmark Stadium, the Buffalo Bills beat the Steelers 31-17, a game where fans turned the stadium into a winter wonderland, celebrating each Buffalo touchdown with a flurry of snowballs. Quarterback Josh Allen was the Storm center, igniting the field with a record-breaking 52-yard rushing touchdown, the longest in Bills postseason history. Allen's arm wasn't far behind, delivering 21 completions for 203 yards and 3 touchdowns, while also adding a dynamic 74 yards on the ground. The Bills' defense was a force to reckon with as well, creating crucial turnovers and holding the Steelers at bay. The game saw explosive plays, strategic moves, and a showcase of Buffalo's resilience, particularly in the face of injuries plaguing their defense.